Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create attendance tracker in Google Sheets. Within a minute I can tell you. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from your laptop or desktop, just open Chrome browser and just go to Google Sheets. So everyone knows Google Sheet is a simple and easiest way to create different types of sheet to calculate the method. So now I just created a student's name list with the students attendance tracker Monday to Friday. So total percentage of the person and total number of percent for the day. So everything I would like to calculate. What I have to do here. So simple and easiest way. Within a minute I just want to share with you. So first you just create this kind of sheet in your Google Sheet with the student attendance details. So if you want, in your description I have given the link, just click the link, you can test over there also. Yeah, so now just select from Monday to Friday with the students details. Just go to insert menu and just click a checkbox option. Once you click a checkbox option, automatically each and every days will have a checkbox over here, as you see here. So if you click, automatically the checkbox will be open here, and if you want you can remove also the one single click. Now the formula time. So here once I checkbox on the Arun name, so it should present over here. So total number of presents also will be here. What I have to do here? So on the last total present, just use this formula. I have given the description also this formula. Just press equal to. So here just type count if. So once you type count if bracket, just select from Monday to Friday, comma, just press true. That is true means this area, that checkbox is true means it should count. Just close the bracket. So I have given this formula in my description box. Just copy and paste the formula in your Google Sheet also. Just click enter. Yeah, so now it's 0. So now I would like to calculate Tuesday's present, Thursday's present, and Friday's present. Automatically 3 will be added here. So similarly I can remove, automatically it will remove. So now I would like to copy the same formula over here. Just on the corner side, just drag and drop. So automatically the formula will be calculated over here. So I want to give the attendance for Monday and Wednesday. So somewhere else those who are present I can give according to that. Automatically the calculation will be added. So total number of present from Monday to Friday for the Arun, it will calculate. Now only Monday, only Tuesday, Wednesday, how many percent are present? Here the total number of present for the weekday, equal to the same formula, count if bracket, this area you just calculate, comma, just type a same option, true, just close bracket and click OK. Yeah, so the same formula I just want to copy, so just drag and drop, automatically the same formula will be copied over here. So now I just remove, automatically that will be removed, the count will be removed as you see. Yeah, so now I just want to give a Monday attendance for this person's, the count will be added. So each and every one will be present for the Monday for the week. Yeah, for the Tuesday I just given. Yeah, similarly Wednesday and Friday, all the presents will be there. Just click, the calculation will be added over here. So total number of week present for Arun 5 and Andrew is 2, and similarly you can calculate. So Monday total number of 8, Tuesday, and you can easily calculate. So total number of percent, if you want you can summarize this one into equal to sum, just press enter. So total number of percent, here the overall number will be present over here. This is the simple and easiest trick to create your attendance tracker with checkbox, so that it is easy to understand, easy to analyze the students details. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching dear friends. Have a great and good day.